Look at me posting for the third time of 2019, guys. Posted a video, and I'm trying to get back into things, but I forgot one very important thing. To thank you guys for 1,000 subscribers. At this point, we're at 1,100, but it really means a lot to me that you guys are liking the content and are sticking around. Even though I haven't been active, I promise I want to be a lot more active in 2020. Big year for us. So thank you guys so much. I really appreciate everything. And let's get into the video. Let's say you've been saving up that fire designer piece for a while and you finally found the funds to purchase it. Now I know you're going to want to take pictures on the gram and flex and stuff, and I get that. But I'm going to give you guys 3 tips on how to wear your newly purchased piece and not look like an asshole. Tip number 1 is don't stack designer. I know everyone on Instagram does this, but it's just too much to look at. Stacking pieces is gonna make you look like an asshole. The only good thing that might come out of this is you might make it on a hypebeast page, rip hypebeasts, but that's not really the point here. Like when you look at this fit, what do you see? You see a nice pair of shoes, a nice stylish guy. When you look at this fit, all you see is Gucci. What am I looking at here? What is this? This is not fashion. This is just having too much money. And money can't buy style. So don't stack your pieces. Tip number 2 is wear basics. Now this is more of a solution to tip 1. Wearing basics will make the piece the main focus of the outfit. In fashion, basics are everyone's best friend. And my final tip is don't overwear a piece. So for example, let's say you got that off-white belt and you want to debut it with a fire outfit. Now, people are going to realize this piece because it's pretty iconic. But when your fits for the week start looking like this, people are going to start thinking you're a construction worker and start asking you to do the roofs of their homes. People are going to stop recognizing you by your outfit and only by that singular piece. Another thing is when you're overwearing a piece, you get bored of the piece very quickly, and it makes the piece a little less special when you break it out. Anyways guys, I hope these 3 tips helped and you don't look as much of an asshole anymore. But thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I hope to see you guys next time.